video is taking you on the journey that I've been on recently of wildlife photography. I'm brand new to it, 8 months in. Don't know what I'm doing. I've been a photographer for 25 years, but I'm brand new to wildlife photography. And today's journey is to photograph and film the wood duck, which for me here in Minnesota is one of the most beautiful and also one of the most elusive ducks I've attempted to film and photograph. Why wildlife photography? Because it gets me close to where I was as a child, playing in the woods, turning over every rock, every stone to see, every stick to see what was living underneath it. And that level of intimacy is what I and really most wildlife photographers would like to bring to the viewers of our material. And I thought it would just be a lot of fun to bring you along for the journey. I don't know if this is a 1-day journey, a 2-day journey, a 3-day journey. I don't know. Wood ducks are elusive, to say the least. I swear sometimes they know you're there from 300 yards away and won't come anywhere close. So let's go ahead and get started on this journey at Legion Lake, Veterans Memorial Park, an urban park with lots of noise, but also lots of wildlife in Richfield, Minnesota. See you out there. Okay, it's been pretty quiet here. The wood ducks have moved off. I've got a very curious swan. I'm going to try to show you this guy off to my side here. Oh. Anyway, he's swimming right in front of me here. And so I think I'm going to spend a few more minutes here filming some blackbirds, which I love, and they're so beautiful, and maybe a turtle or two, and then I'm going to move to a different location. Okay, I'm here in my second location. It's my natural duck blind. Thank you, Mother Nature. I think I've got a couple of wood ducks and hooded mergansers just off to my left here. That's why I'm whispering. And I'll show you my natural duck blind in a moment. I have a narrow lane to film, so I hope that at least the wood ducks swim into my field of view. Yep. Keep my fingers crossed. Well, I didn't succeed with the wood ducks, but I did get to spend a lot of nice time with a pair of hooded mergansers. I think they're hooded mergansers. They sure look like it. Okay. So I think I'm going to call it a wrap. I might finish the day here filming some more turtles. Everybody loves turtles. And some more songbirds. And we'll try again tomorrow or the day after. All right, it's another gorgeous day, and it's a day 2 of my quest to get beautiful shots of wood ducks. I failed on day 1, so we're going to try a little bit different strategy today. I'm going to move my first location from yesterday on the dock over to on the shore, and I'm going to go pretty much full camo. Not a ghillie suit, but I have some netting, some cloth I can drape over me. try to make myself look like just another pile of brush to them. So wish me luck. I'll check in once I'm set up. Sorry for the extreme close-ups here, and I'm whispering again. I just had 2 wood ducks about 180 yards out in front of me. And you can hear some of that awesome airplane noise. That's part of shooting in an urban park in the Twin Cities. I had them out about 80, 100 yards in front of me, and I'm set up here in my camo. I don't know if they saw me, but they just ended up flying away. So that happened pretty quickly after my setup here. So I'm just gonna stay here for a bit and remain patient and see what happens. Maybe film or photograph some other things like, shocker, turtles and songbirds, and maybe a few geese. They're always around and they swim right up to you. So anyway, I'll check in a bit. Just needed to report in that my camouflage is working great because a robin just flew into my head and never saw me. I'm not making it up. I'm breathing hard. I'm really excited. About another 15 or 20 minutes have passed, and well, like yesterday, I was farting around photographing some mallards, really pretty shots I'll share in the video, and looked through my camo off to the right, and lo and behold, here came a wood duck just cruising the shoreline right up to me. And I can't wait to share the footage. Beautiful video, a bunch of great still images. So I think I'm going to spend a few more minutes here, and then I'm going to move back to the same location I was at yesterday and see if I can have some more success with wood ducks. Keep your fingers crossed. I'll check in when I'm over there. Okay, I've got a wood duck in sight. I don't know if it saw me when it came in for a landing, probably. But I'm up under my camo and waiting patiently to see if I can get a shot of him. Well, I'm going to wrap up today's shoot and give you a summary of what's just happened. I was in my camouflage and I had a pair of wood ducks land right out in front of me. Got some beautiful, clean photos of them you'll be able to see in the final video. It's a gorgeous evening out here. Well, aside from the airplanes, you can hear all the lovely noises of the wild in an urban park. Day one, I didn't get any wood ducks, so we'll call that a minor fail, but I got some other beautiful footage for the video, and day two was a success. So the grind paid off, put the effort in, made some good tactical choices, had some lovely time spent with the songbirds, the turtles, mallard ducks, geese, hooded mergansers, and the wood ducks. So thanks for joining me on this. Look forward to the next one.